So hi and hello. Welcome to our channel named Algo Exploration. My name is Samir. Now in today's lecture we are going to see the second problem related to the recursion, that how to find a Fibonacci. I hope you already know that what do you mean by Fibonacci, okay, and how to find it. Okay, so let's take one example that let's say if you want to find the Fibonacci of 10th number. Okay, so initially we will have two numbers, that means 0 and 1. Okay, and after that the second number will be nothing but a addition of these two, so this will be 1. Now, what about the next number? It will be addition of this two, so 2. Then addition of this, that will be 3, so here 3. Then addition of 2 and 3, that will be 5. Then 3 and 5, then 5 plus 8, then 8 plus 13, then 13 plus 21, 21 plus 34, and so on. Okay, so this is a nothing but a Fibonacci sequence. Now if I give the indices 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, if anyone told you that what is a Fibonacci of 10, the answer will be 55. Okay, but someone might say that the answer will be 34. Why? Because here we have started the indices with the 0. So due to that, if the indices are starting with 1, then Fibonacci of 10 will be 34, not 55. So it depends. Okay, so I hope you got this. Now let's say that how we can find the answer when someone says that what will be the Fibonacci of 10. Okay, now let's see that how we can find the iterative solution of this. Okay, so initially the value of a will be 0 and the value of b will be 1. Okay, now using the for loop in which I will be running from 1 and it will be gone till n minus 2. Why n minus 2? Because here already two numbers has initiated, right? So due to that, n minus 2. Now inside this for loop I'm going to have c equals to a plus b. So this number is nothing but the addition of previous two. Now if you observe, okay, when we want to find this Fibonacci of 3, it will be nothing but addition of these two, right? But initially the a was here and the b was 1 here, right? And I got to know the c, and then the value of c will be 1, that means a plus b. Now whenever I want to find the next Fibonacci, okay, so here I need to take a as this one and b as this one. Okay, so due to that, the value of a will be b and the value of b will be c. That's it. So this is the iterative version of this Fibonacci, and at last return c. Okay, if you talk about the time complexity, it will be simply order of n, and the space complexity will be constant only because we didn't take any extra space. Okay, now let's see that how we can find the solution using the recursive method. If we observe, okay, when we want to find the Fibonacci of 10, let's say, okay, it is nothing but the addition of previous two numbers, right? 21 plus 34. Similarly, if you want to find the Fibonacci of 7, it is nothing but addition of previous two numbers. Okay, so let's say if I want to find the Fibonacci of 5, okay, so I'll be writing Fib of 5. Okay, and after that this will be nothing but the Fibonacci of 3 and Fibonacci of 4. So f of 3, f of 4, and here there is an addition of them. Now what will be the answer of f of 3? That means Fibonacci of 3 and Fibonacci of 4. We have to find it. So Fibonacci of 3 is nothing but f of 2 plus f of 1, right? Fibonacci of 3 is nothing but addition of f of 1 and f of 2, right? Same goes for f of 4, that means Fibonacci of 3, sorry, Fibonacci of 2 plus Fibonacci of 3. Same for this. This will be f of 1 and f of 0. Here we already know that the value of f of 1 is simply 1. Okay, and f of 0 will be 0. So we will not proceed this. What will be the answer of all this? It will be f of 1 plus f of 0. For this it will be f of 2 and f of 1. For this it will be f of 1 plus f of 0. Okay, I hope you got this. Now the value of f of 1 will be 1, f of 0 will be 0, f of 1 will be 1, this will be 1, this will be 0, this will be 1, this will be 0, and this will be 1. Now if we observe 1 plus 0, that will be 1. So the value of this will be 1. Same goes for 1 plus 0, the value of this will be 1. 1 plus 0, the value of this will be 1. Now 1 plus 1, the value of f of 3 will be 2. 1 plus 1, the value of f of 3 will be 2. Okay, so what will be the value of f of 4? 1 plus 2, that will be 3. So 2 plus 3, the value of f of 5, that means Fibonacci of 5 will be 5. Okay, so using this pattern, we are going to design the algorithm. Okay, so it will be pretty simple. See, int fib of n. Here in this case, I hope that you know that what might be the base condition. It will be if n is lesser than equals to 1. That means if the value of n is 1 or 0, we have to return n. If it is 1, we need to return 1. If it is 0, we need to return 0. Else return fib of n minus 1 plus fib of n minus 2. That's it. Okay, so this is the algorithm to find the Fibonacci number. Okay, what will be the time complexity of this? It will be simply n, and the space complexity will be order of n because it is using a stack. Okay, so I hope you got this now. So that's it from my side. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you.